Hello and welcome to Herald TV News Bulletin with me, Tasleem. Panjamites and those who visit Panjim have been reeling under the debilitating inconvenience caused to them due to the smart city works over the last 8 years. Though people have vent their anger and media has exposed both the delays and the shoddy work, people seem helpless. No bill initiating criminal action against the contractor of IPSCDL seem possible, since the contractor shares the spoils with the politicians. But there's a way out. Initiate contempt of court proceedings against the officers and the contractor. Others say criminal proceedings should be initiated against those who initiated the projects, that is, the politicians and the contractor.
But to get a fresh bill first, no government is going to pass such a bill.
So how do we
because
fix the accountability?
These are all their factors.
Yeah.
The contractors are sharing the entire benefit from these projects with the politicians. So no politician is going to pass any bill where the contractor is going to be liable. So I don't think it's even very practical.
So how does one fix accountability in these kind of circumstances?
Yeah, now since you have gone to the High Court, the only way is to file a contempt in the High Court against the officers concerned.
Okay.
There's no other option.
Okay.
Right now, because if the contempt succeeds, then they will go to jail.
Okay.
There is no other option right now. I don't see any option.
Okay, so contempt petition is the only way.
Yeah, because they have given an undertaking in the court direction to complete the work by 31st of May. They have not done it. Whatever excuse they have, they gave the undertaking on whatever there was some reasonable listing. Now they have violated it. Now that the only recourse that you can get is to go to court. Nothing, and to get a contempt petition filed.
Okay, accountability should first lie on the person who has initiated these projects.
Okay.
Okay, he may be the MLA or a minister or the chief minister.
Yeah.
Or the mayor or councillor or sarpanch in villages.
Yeah.
But the person first who initiates these projects,
yeah,
he has to first be held responsible to ensure that the project is completed within the stipulated time frame.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the first action has to be on the political person because he is the one who initiates these projects.
Yeah.
Now, what is happening in Panjim, we are seeing is that there is a blame game.
Yeah.
There has been fingers being pointed at the late Chief Minister Shri Manohar Parrikar.
Yeah.
There has been fingers pointed on a consultant.
Yeah.
And nobody is talking about the person who has initiated this project. These projects are not initiated by old ex-Chief Minister.
Yeah.
So the first part is that the accountability of the person who has initiated these projects.
Yeah.
So that is my clear demand.
Yes.
And he has to be booked for criminal proceedings.
Yeah.
Whoever is initiating the project.
Yeah.
Okay. Secondly,
yeah,
the contractor also should be held accountable.
Yeah.
For not only the time frame but also the quality of work.
Yeah.
There has to be quality assessment. The persons who are executing the work.
Yeah.
Including the government officers along with the contractor.
Yeah.
Government officer just cannot wash his hands away from all these things.
Yeah.
It is the duty of the municipal engineer to see that the work in his jurisdiction is happening correctly or not.
Yeah.
By the contractor.
Yeah.
It is also the duty of the elected MLA, elected councillor of that area, and the elected probably punch in panchayat areas, and the elected minister and the chief minister to ensure that whatever is happening in Goa,
yeah,
is happening as per the terms and conditions set while issuing the tender.
But CCP and all that, and even MLA, Minister of Panjim, have to speak on this, and they have to take a strict action against the executive officer who have delayed this work, and who is a contractor, and the contractor has given to the subcontractor. Subcontractor have given a subcontractor work which may have delayed, and the work of the doing of that smart city is been totally neglected, not doing a proper work, not doing a proper pipeline. They have just come such a way that one time they have done and they broke the road, again second time they made the road, and third time they broke again. So कित्याक ते pipeline घालपाचे आनी हे सगळे आसा पळय, this is a work of executive officers and they have to check the thing. But हांगा कितें जाला सारकें जाला neglection of work. So I demand from the high, even the matter went to the court also. So I demand from the court, this money has been spent and the work has been twice, thrice, so that been as a loss for the public amount. So the government should take action against these executive officers and the contractors and subcontractors, and who is involved in this, who are involved in delaying the work, and who is giving the free hand to the contractor and for the executive members, executive officers and the subcontractors. So we should bring them into bar and take a strict action against them.
People of Panjim have been suffering for the long time as the smart city juggernaut rolls out over the city. In this edition of Street Voices, Herald TV spoke to people to know their view on whether criminal action should be initiated and penalties be levied against the contractors and government officials for delay in completing government projects such as Smart City.
Definitely, yes. The contractor should be held responsible for this. The reason behind it, because when they take the contract and when the contract is given to them, they have a time limit, time period, and they know the thing. So into now, your contractor supersede kutta somla, your overall kutta, even the government officials are they play with the contractors. Yes, okay, even the bureaucrats, even the CM, contractors सांगता ते सापयतालो तो सेम कितलो टाइम लागतालो तो अमको तो स्लोली सांगता मीन्स तुम्ही कॉन्ट्रॅक्टराक दितात हो म्हजो मेन प्रश्न तुम्ही कॉन्ट्रॅक्टराक दितात अरे त्यांचो हेल्ड अप करप पेमेंट जायना तुमकडे न्हू काढात ताका उडोयात बाबा टायमाचेर सांगना म्हणून इट इज द कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर्स रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी कॉन्ट्रॅक्टराक इतले रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी हे करना तुम्ही वयल्यान ताका कवर अप करता फॉर वॉट रिजन तुम्ही बोलल्यान म्हाका सांग तुमकां कितें मेवल्या पर्सेंटेज मेवल्या ताका लागून कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर शूड बी हेल्ड रिस्पॉन्सिबल आनी ताका पेनल्टी दिवंक जाय बिकॉज पीपल आर सफरिंग पीपल वील बी सफरिंग इन दीस रेनी सीजन पळय तिंगा बुट्टा उरना पळय ते
100% कंप्लेंट कित्याक जावचें न्हू ज्या पद्दती प्रमाणे स्मार्ट सिटीचें काम चालू आसा अशें दिसता त्या कॉन्ट्रॅक्टराचे कन्सल्टंटाचे मागीर PWDचे ऑफिसरांचे मागीर म्युनिसिपालिटीचे कोण ऑफिसर आसा हेंचेर सगळ्यांचेर खरें कंप्लेंट जावपाक जाय कित्याक जावची न्हू आज तुमकां खबर आहा स्मार्ट सिटीचें काम चलता चलता 2 जाण मेले कितले जाणांचे हातपाय मोडले कितले जाणांची गाडी भितर रेंगली अशें सगळे हे जाले जाल्यार एकूय तेंचेर FIR जायना कारण कितें कारण अशें खंय कितें गुटलो खाल्ला म्हणून तेंचेर FIR जायना म्हज्या कोतान 100% तेंचेर FIR जावपाक जाय कित्याक पळया न्ही स्मार्ट सिटी ही आमची राजधानी ही राजधानी जेन्ना हेच्या कामा कडेन दुर्लक्षपणां करता हलगर्जीपणा करता जाल्यार खरें म्हणून जाल्यार असल्या कॉन्ट्रॅक्टरांक ब्लॅकलिस्टान घालपाचें तेंचेर FIR जावपाची तेंचेर खरें म्हणून जाल्यार दुसऱ्या फावटी गव्हर्मेंटान तांकां खंयसरूच काम दिवपाक जायना आनी एक आसा की असल्या कन्सल्टंटांक सुद्दां काम दिवपाक जायना आमी हेच्या पयलीं सांगलेली की स्मार्ट सिटीच्या कामाक कन्सल्टंट आमकां केन्ना दिश्टीच पडोंक ना आता तो संचित रॉड्रिगीस खंय तरी आपण भोंवता आनी कितें तरी दाखयता पण तेजे कडेन सुद्दां तो लेट लतीफ म्हणटा पळय तसो येयलो. तेणे सुद्दां काम ते वेवस्थीत करूंक ना कशें दिसता, करूंक जावचेंच ना. अरे आतां तूं पळय कॉन्ट्रॅक्टराचें काम करून कॉन्ट्रॅक्टरान काम बरें करूंक ना म्हणून उदक ब्लॉक जाता म्हणून आमच्या पुलीस स्टेशना फुडल्यान सगळे म्युनिसिपालिटीन ते फोडला आनी काम केलां. म्हणजे हो आतां डबल खर्च न्ही. स्मार्ट सिटीचो ठरावीक कोठा आसलेलो, त्या कोट्याच्या विरुद्ध काम जावना, त्या कोट्या प्रमाणे काम जावना. काम जावना जाल्यार आतां म्युनिसिपालिटीन एक्स्ट्रा कितें हें केलां, तो पार्सेकर बी म्हाका पयर सांगतालो, हेचो आमी एक्स्ट्रा हें करून काम केलां सिटीक. इतली तेंच्यांनी लोकांक त्रास केल्या, लोक बाबडे पाशियस काडून आसा, तरी सुद्दां हे लोक एक FIR सुद्दां करिना. कित्याक डिलीट जालें
आनी
कित्याक
मॅडम ते गव्हर्मेंट ऑफिसर बी आहा खबर आहा, ते बी डिले कामां करता, कंप्लीट करून टायमार घेयना. सो तांचेर कंप्लेंट जावपाक जाय.
सगळ्यांचे कंप्लेंट जावंक जाय. तांकां कितें आसा, आजचो बटवो मेळ्ळो म्हणटकूच ते ओगी रावता. तेंच्यांनी केन्ना येवन स्मार्ट सिटीन कॉन्ट्रॅक्टराक काम दिल्या उपरांत येवन केन्ना फेरी मारल्या. आमी सोशल वर्कर लोक इतले बोवाळ मारता तेन्ना कोण तरी तो चीफ मिनिस्टर येता, नाजाल्यार केन्ना बाबूश येता, नाजाल्यार कोण आनी येता, बेश्टेशें तोंड दाखयता, थुकी लायता, वयता. मागीर खंय खरें म्हणजे जाल्यार इंजिनियराचें काम तें स्मार्ट सिटी कन्सल्टंटाचें काम तेणे ते पळोवपाक जाय, टायमार तेणे येवपाक जाय. तेन्ना ते तुमचे बापायचे पयशे न्हू, हे लोकांचे पयशे, लोकांचे टॅक्साचे पयशे, हे तुमी मोडटा. तुमकां जाय तसो खर्च करतात तुमी. आनी खरें तेंचे ऑफिसरांचेर कायद्यान जावपाक जाय. जेन्ना तुमी वर्क ऑर्डर दिले तेच्या उपरांत जबाबदारी कोणाची दिले आनी सोडले, असले करूंक जायना. सगळ्यांचे कायद्यान वेवस्थीत सगळ्यांचेर केस जावपाक जाय म्हणजे जावपाक जाय.
Watch on Herald TV.
Buoyed by the victory of fellow activist of Captain Viriato Fernandes in Lok Sabha polls for the South Goa seat, activists called for opposition unity. They also said that Captain Viriato worked unselfishly in the coal and double tracking agitations and people unselfishly voted for him. He did not have to use money power. They also said that voters of Salsett had played a role similar to the one played in the opinion poll to save Goa. They outlined the reasons for Captain Viriato's success.
The civil society, the intelligence people, the social activists, social workers, एकूच माझी विनंती असतली, let us be all united together for the days to come. I understand there are some parties who have made a commitment that the alliance at the national level was only for the national Lok Sabha elections, and they were also fielding differently in different states. Fine, that's okay. Where one party is very strong, they might have not gone into alliance, like Aam Aadmi Party did not go. But they have learned their lesson, they have burned their fingers. So it would be better that we come together, and since we have tasted the good blood of activists and that we did not perform so well in the north to fight against the people who are against the constitution, I think it could be a good idea in the future. We could also think about new activists and groom them from day to day.
First time in history, तुम्ही पळोवपाक गेल्यार एक एक्टिविस्ट कितें जिखोवंक शकता. तुम्ही पळयला आसतलें कितले ओपोजिशनांनी कमेंट केले, तो एक्टिविस्ट रे, तो इलेक्शन जिखोवंक शकना. पूण आज कॅप्टन विरियाटो हो एक्टिविस्टान आज पार्लमेंटान पावून दाखयलें आनी हे कापासताचें काम गोंयच्या लोकांनी केलें. ओपिनियन पोलाच्या भाशेन साउथ गोवान मेजर रोल प्ले केलो, तशेंच हांगासर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन वाचोवपा खातीर साउथ गोवान बरो इम्पॉर्टंट रोल प्ले केलो आनी MP निवडून हाडलो.
ह्या फावटी कॅप्टन विरियाटोक चड इलेक्शनाक पयशाची गरज पडोंक ना ताका. कित्याक सांग, तेच्या खातीर लोकांनी निस्वार्थपणान काम केलें. कित्याक तेणी सुद्दां निस्वार्थपणान काम केल्लेलें ह्या पोल एजिटेशना खातीर. गांवांनी मिटिंगे घेतलेले, गांवांनी अवेरनेस केल्लेले की कोल डबल ट्रॅकिंग हें आमकां गोंयांत कित्याक नाका म्हणून. तेच्या खातीर कॅप्टन विरियाटो लायमलायटान येयलो आनी लोकांक कळ्ळें की हे एक्टिविस्ट जे आहा हें गोंय वाचोवपाक शकता म्हणून. गोंयांत मेन मुद्दे आसलेले कोळशाचो, डबल ट्रॅकिंगाचो, मागीर कन्वर्जनाचो, हिल कटिंग, तेच्या उपरांत IITचो मुद्दो आसलो, जे ह्या आशेखोर राजकारण्यांनी आपल्या स्वताच्या फायद्या खातीर हे मुद्दे गोंयांत हाडलेले आनी आमच्या गोंयच्या लोकांक प्रेस करून हे मुद्दे ते जबरदस्ती गोंयांत हाडपाक सोदताले. आज आमी गोंयान पळयता कितले डिस्ट्रक्शन जाल्लेले आहा ते आनी हे डिस्ट्रक्शनाक कारणीभूत आहा आयचे जे सरकार आहा ते आनी हे आशेखोर राजकारणी जे कोणाचे कशेंच आयकूंक सोदिना.
Upon his arrival in Delhi, the recently elected Member of Parliament from South Goa constituency, Captain Viriato Fernandes, led a delegation including the Leader of Opposition of the Goa Assembly, Yuri Alemão, GPCC President Amit Patkar and MLA of Kepe, Alton de Costa, to pay homage at Rajghat, the memorial dedicated to the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi. Fernandes explained the significance of the visit.
Namaskar. आमी दिल्ली आयिल्ले आसा आनी आमची जी पॉलिटिकल जर्नी आसा ती जो आमी गोंयचो आवाज लोकांचो आवाज गोंयकारांचो आवाज जी आमी दिल्ली घेवन आयल्या ती आमची सुरवात करतना पयले सुवातेर आयज आमी सकाळी फुडें राजघाट आयल्या जी एक मेमोरियल आमची बापूजी आमचो सारको मोगाचो महात्मा गांधी फादर ऑफ द नेशन ताजे मेमोरियाचेर आयले आमी आमचे रिस्पेक्ट दिवपाक हांगा समस्त गोंयकारांचे सगळे गोंयकारांच्या नांवान आमी फुलां पायल्या हांगा आनी आमी जे गांधीजीचे व्हॅल्यूज आसा जे आदर्श आसा ते आमी एक निश्चय केला ते व्हॅल्यूजांचेर आमचे जे माग आसा गोंयकारांचे जी जर्नी आसा ते व्हॅल्यूजांचेर ते आदर्शांचेर आमी फुडें व्हरतले.
Residents of Velsau have raised serious concerns over the mass fish death in Velsau Bay and the rivulet. Though the problem was reported long ago, the concerned authorities have failed to take action. The residents have expressed anger and frustration over authorities neglecting the pressing issue. Even the local MLA was delayed in visiting the site and demanding action from the authorities.
जेन्ना आमचो MLA आसा आनी हिंगाचे जे फिशिंग कम्युनिटीचे जे हेड आसा तेणी कितें केला एका आमचे नुस्तें मोत्ता ते स्टेप घेवपाक तेणे एक लेटर तरी केला MLA को एक लेटर देखून केलो ना न्हू म्हणटा एक फोन देखून कॉल मारलो ना आमचे सगळ्या जे यूथ आहा तेणी कॉन्टेक्ट करूं पडटा हे काम करूं जालो लिडरांनी कित्याक हे लिडर मुखार सरनाय कित्याक तुमगे इगो तुमचो इगो फाटल्या दवराय पयलीं हांव कितें म्हणूं सोदता पयलीं लोकां गेले हेल्थ पयले इगो मागीर दुसरो म्हणटा तो आतां तो आमचो हे आहा तो जनरल सेक्रेटरी आहा तो कोण ऑलेन्से सिमॉन्स म्हणटा तो तेका लास्ट टायम देखून हांवें सांगलेलें बाबा तूं जनरल सेक्रेटरी आहा एज अ फिशरमॅनाचो एक लेटर तरी कर हांव म्हणटा एक प्रेसाची एक बायट घेयना तूं कित्याक फाटल्या लिपता आमकां खबर आहा तूं जुवारेर तूं हे लेबर डिपार्टमेंटाचो प्रेसिडेंट आहा म्हूण सो ते थिंक एक मेळटा म्हूण तूं हेंगा बारीक लोकां इसरता तूं आमगे गांव फुटकायले हांव कितें म्हणून सोदता तुगे इगो फाटल्यान दवर हे पयलीं कितें जाता तें पयलीं सॉल्व कर हे नुस्तें आतां उडो आमी हिंगा हाडलोले तेन्ना 4-5 जण बिल्लाचे येवन ते नुस्त्या पोतया पोवन कलेक्ट करताले तेंक सांगले बाबा हे भायर उडय नुस्त्या हे तुम चुकोन थिंग बिल्ला बी इकीत जाल्याकू कोण मरत जाल्याकू हे हांवें गेले ते वर्साकूय सांगलोले बाबा दीस फीश इज नॉट गूड फॉर हेल्थ म्हूण आनी ह्या भुरग्यांक बी हांवूय नाकाय म्हूण हे स्टेप तर आमी गेले ते फाट घेयलोले जाल्यार हे सगळे सॉर्ट आउट जाता आसले ते होको ते बिल्ला ती पायप आहाय तेका भितरल्या जे लिकेज आसूं शकता काय एक चॅक केलो ना ते हिंग पायप घालपाक दिले कोणें इतली वर्स जाली कितले MLA येयले कितले MLA गेले हांव एक MLA चोयलो ना एक म्हाका फुटेज दाखोया तो जो हिंग येवन इन्स्पेक्शन कोन्न गेलो तो आमगे बाब आवतर बाजा सोड सो हांव कितें म्हणून सोदता तुम न्हिदल्याय ते जाग जाय डिवायड एंड रूल कुशी दवराय हे कितें आहा ते आमी सॉर्ट आउट कोन्न हे आमगे बायले भुरगे आनी हे सांबाळया ह्या फ्युचर आमगेलो हे भुरगे माल पडटले हाल्या मुतले मोतले बट हे डिवायड एंड रूल कुशी सोन हे आमी मुखार सरया हे सांबाळपा आमी.
A vehicle was ensnared in the aftermath of underground cable work gone awry at Kunkoli on Saturday. Residents voiced concern attributing the incident to the lack of oversight by the Goa Electricity Department. This oversight lapse has led to notable disruptions and safety hazards on the roads, prompting a call for more vigilant supervision of such infrastructure projects.
Residents of Kunkolim are facing a nightmare on their roads as a result of the failure of proper supervision by the Goa Electricity Department. Underground cable work, which was carried out without adequate oversight, has led to severe damage to the roads, causing hazards for motorists and pedestrians alike. The Kunkolim Civic Consumer Forum has been instrumental in bringing attention to the state of the roads, urging the Electricity Department to take action. After their intervention, barricades were finally put in place to prevent further accidents and to signal the need for immediate repairs. Bureau Report, Herald TV.
A mobile repair kiosk situated near the old pickup stand in Margaon was robbed. The incident, which occurred earlier on Saturday, the owner said that he had suffered a loss of around ₹60,000. Listen in.
वो सुबह आए शॉप खोलने के लिए तभी मालूम पड़ा, इससे पहले कुछ मालूम नहीं था। रात को तोड़ा है हम लोगों ने और पूरा सामान लेके गए। मोबाइल का बैग एक पड़ा था पूरा भरा हुआ कस्टमर का, वो भी लेके गए वो लोग। मोबाइल ये महंगे महंगे सामान था जो चार्जर थे वो सब लेके गए। पूरा ये सब तोड़ा हुआ था टोटल अंदर का पूरा, ये नीचे से पूरा एक बैग था मोबाइल का भरा हुआ।
कितना पैसा रहेगा?
महंगे महंगे मोबाइल कस्टमर का भी रहता है, महंगा मोबाइल।
कितना होएगा आसपास तुम्हारा दाम?
रहेगा 50-60 के ऊपर।
क्या
अभी कोई 10,000 का मोबाइल रहता है, कोई 20 का रहता है, ऐसा अलग अलग मोबाइल रहता है, कोई 5 का भी रहता है। मोबाइल का पूरा बैग भरा हुआ रहता है कस्टमर का मोबाइल से।
A massive traffic blockage brought traffic on one side of the road to a standstill, stretching from Floriana Was Circle to the Worli Rumdamal Maruti Temple on Saturday morning. The situation caused significant inconvenience to commuters and residents in the area. The traffic congestion began during the peak hours of the morning commute and persisted for several hours, exacerbating frustrations and delaying travel for countless individuals. Watch.
ब्लॉक झाला 20 मिनिटं माहीत झाले आता ऑनलाईन आहे ना आमचे पेट्रोल कापरता गव्हर्नमेंट किती करतलो ट्रॅफिक कंट्रोल करून शकना एक माणूस आम्हाला पळवणार
10 मिनिटं झाली किती लागून
ट्रॅफिक म्हणा
तुम्ही खंयच्यान येयल्ले?
Cherukuri Ramoji Rao, the head of Telugu News and Entertainment Network (ETV) and founder of Ramoji Film City, passed away at 87 in Hyderabad on Saturday morning. Rao was undergoing treatment for the past few days and breathed his last at 4:50 a.m. according to the ETV Telangana. One of the Ramoji Group channels, the Padma Vibhushan awardee is recognized for being the founder of the Ramoji Group, which owns the famous integrated production facility Ramoji Film City in Telangana's capital city. His mortal remains have been shifted to his residence at the film city. The devout congregation of Our Lady of Snows Church in Raya congregated in fervent prayer and celebration on Friday to mark the feast of the Sacred Heart of Jesus. Led by Father Alistair Gomes, the assistant parish priest hailing from Damon, Raya, the faithful came together to celebrate the feast of Sacred Heart of Jesus.
जेजूच्या बहुपवित्र हाडसा वरवीं सौरभूतधार देव बा आनी
बाबा भयण आयज आमी जेजूच्या बहुपवित्र काळसाची देवाची परोब सगळोवतना आमचो विशय जावन आसा जेजूच्या काळजाक मोगान लासतल्या आमची काळजां तुज्या काळजा सारकी कर। जेन्ना आमी जिवितांत सांडटा उपवासान पडटा तेन्ना आमचो देव आमचे सोदीक येता कित्याक ताका जाय आमी आमचें जिवीत बदललें ताका नाका कोणूच आमचे मदीं इबाड जालोली ताचे काळीज आमचे सगळें वळटा मोगान लासता आयचो सेवादूत ह्या देवाच्या मीठ नासलेल्या मोगाचेर नियाळ करूंक आपयता ते मिसाचे पेटे वांटून घेतना आमच्या जिविताचेर नदर मारया आनी हो जेजूचो मोग आमी मोगान फारीक करूं आनी हेच मोगान आमी दुसऱ्या सगळें जियोंक ताच्या काळजा सारकेली जावन ताचीच कृपा.
In a thrilling display of skill and strategy, UC Seraulim emerged victorious over UC Benaulim in a captivating exhibition match held yesterday. The game, which was played in front of a moderate crowd, showcased Benaulim's blend of fresh talent and seasoned players, launching a barrage of attacks against their opponents. However, it was Seraulim's methodical approach and solid organization that ultimately dictated the flow of the match. Seraulim's dominance manifested early on, culminating in a breakthrough moment in the 20th minute when Jesus netted the opening goal. Despite Benaulim's persistent efforts to level the playing field, the first half concluded with Seraulim leading 1-0, much to the delight of their supporters. That's all we have in this newscast. Thanks for watching Herald TV. Take care and goodbye.